Most people dream about financial freedom, but very few actually achieve it. Not because they aren't capable, and not because they don't work hard. The real reason is simpler. They don't have a clear roadmap. Financial freedom is not luck. It's not a secret reserved for the rich. And it's definitely not something that happens overnight. It's a process, a series of deliberate steps that gradually transform your relationship with money. Think of it like a journey. If you don't know where you are going, every road feels confusing. But once you have a roadmap, each step becomes clearer. In this video, we're going to walk through a simple but powerful roadmap to financial freedom, step by step. Step 1. Know exactly where your money goes. The first step toward financial freedom is awareness. Most people have only a vague idea of how much money they spend each month. They know their salary, but the small expenses quietly drain their income. Subscriptions, impulse purchases, daily habits that seem insignificant. But over time, these small expenses add up. Financially free people track their money carefully. They know where every dollar goes. This doesn't mean obsessing over every purchase. It simply means creating clarity. Because once you understand your spending patterns, you can begin to control them. And control is the first building block of financial freedom. Step 2. Eliminate financial leaks. After you know where your money goes, the next step is to plug the leaks. Every budget has hidden drains, expenses that don't truly add value to your life. Sometimes it's unused subscriptions. Sometimes it's lifestyle habits that grew gradually over time. Financial freedom doesn't require extreme sacrifice, but it does require intentional spending. Ask yourself a simple question before each expense. Is this helping my future, or only satisfying the moment? When you remove unnecessary spending, you free up resources that can begin working for you. Step 3. Build a financial safety net. Before investing or taking financial risks, you need stability. That stability comes from an emergency fund. Unexpected expenses are part of life. Medical bills, repairs, job changes. These events happen to everyone. Without savings, a single emergency can destroy years of progress. Financially stable individuals build a safety net that covers several months of living expenses. This creates peace of mind and prevents financial setbacks from turning into disasters. Once this foundation is in place, the path forward becomes much smoother. Step 4. Start investing. Early. Many people delay investing because they think they need large amounts of money. But the truth is, the most powerful force in wealth building is time. Even small investments grow dramatically over years because of compounding. Compounding means your money begins generating more money. And then that new money also begins to grow. This creates a snowball effect that accelerates over time. The earlier you start, the stronger this effect becomes. That's why financially free people prioritize investing as early as possible. Step 5. Increase your income streams. Saving money alone rarely creates financial freedom. At some point, you must increase your income. This can happen through career growth, side businesses, investments, or digital opportunities. Multiple income streams reduce risk and increase financial flexibility. Instead of depending on a single paycheck, you begin building a system where money comes from several directions. Over time, these streams can grow into powerful financial engines. Step 6. Build assets, not just income. There is an important difference between earning money and building wealth. Income is temporary. Assets are lasting. An asset is something that generates value or income over time. Examples include investments, businesses, intellectual property, or digital products. Financial freedom happens when your assets generate enough income to support your lifestyle. At that point, you are no longer dependent on active work. Your money begins working for you. Step 7. Stay consistent for the long term. The final step in the roadmap is consistency. Most people understand the basics of money, but very few apply them consistently over many years. Financial freedom is not built through one big decision. It's built through thousands of small decisions repeated daily: saving regularly, investing consistently, avoiding unnecessary debt, improving your financial knowledge. These habits compound just like investments do, and over time, they create extraordinary results. Financial freedom is not reserved for a lucky few. It is the result of clarity, discipline, and long-term thinking. You don't need to be perfect. You simply need to start. Track your spending, build your safety net, invest consistently, create income streams, and focus on assets. Follow this roadmap long enough, and the distance between you and financial freedom will begin to shrink. Because the truth is simple: financial freedom is not a mystery. It's a process. And the earlier you begin, the more powerful that process becomes.